Is given a square plus b square is equal to 2009. So we have to find out the value of a plus b here. How we can find out the value of a plus b? Let's see solution. A square plus b square is equal to 2009. This is the value of this a square plus b square. Now we have to find out the a plus b. So we can do here one thing. First we can take here factor of 2009, 2009, right? So it is divisible by 7. So 7 2s are 14, 8s are, and 7s are 49. So here again we can divide this number by 7. 7 4s are 28, 7 1s are 7, and here 41, right? So we got the factor here 2009. Factor of 2009 is 7 times 7 times 41. So we can write this one: a square plus b square is equal to 7 times 7 times 41. Right. So here a square plus b square is equal to 41 times 7 means 7 square. 41 times 7 square. We can write this way. Now we can consider this is a and this is b. So let's consider (7m) is equal to a. This one, a equal to 7m, and b equal to 7n. 7n is equal to b. This one. So we can say 7m square is equal to a square, and 7n square equal to b square. Right? Now we have to substitute this value here. So a square equal to 7m square and b square equal to 7n square. So here 7m square plus 7n square is equal to 7 square times 41, right? 7 square times 41. So we can write this. If we are opening this bracket, so 7 square times m square plus 7 square times n square is equal to 7 square times 41. Now we can take common here 7 square. So we are taking common 7 square. So left hand, that is m square plus n square is equal to 7 square times 41. Now we have to cancel this 7 square. So we can divide both sides by 7 square. Divide both sides by 7 squares. Then we will get 7 square times m square plus n square divided by 7 square, and here same way 7 square times 41 divided by 7 square. Now this 7 square is cancelled from this 7 square, and here this 7 square is cancelled from this 7 square. So we got here m square plus n square is equal to 41, right? We got this number here. M square plus n square is equal to 41, right? So we can write here, therefore m square plus n square is equal to, now this 41 we can convert into 16 plus 25, 6 plus 5 11, 2 plus 1 3, and 4, right? Why we are doing this? Because we have to convert this number in square form. So therefore m square plus n square is equal to, now this is 16, so we can write this 4 square plus this is 25, we can write 5 square. So 4 square plus 5 square. Now we can consider here comparing LHS and RHS. M square is equal to 4 square and n square is equal to 5 square. This is, you can say, equation 1. Or in second condition you can say m square is equal to 5 square and n square is equal to 4 square, right? This is vice versa. So from equation 1, m square is equal to 4 square and n square is equal to 5 square. Therefore m is equal to, when we are taking here square root, m square square root 4 square root, and here same way n square root is equal to 5 square root. So square is cancelled from square root and here square is cancelled from square root. So m is equal to, we can say here square is cancelled from square root, so plus minus 4, and here n is equal to plus minus 5, right? Now from equation 2, same way m square, if m square is equal to 5 square and n square is equal to 4 square, so you are taking square root both sides, so m square square root 5 square and here n square root 4 square root, right? We are taking square both sides, so square is cancelled from square root, square is cancelled from square root, same way here. So here we get value of m is equal to plus minus 5 and n is equal to plus minus 4. So you can see here m is equal to plus minus 4 from case 1, n equal to plus minus 5. In case 2, m is equal to plus minus 5 and n is equal to plus minus 4. So in this way we got the value of m and n. So we can say value of m plus n. m plus n is equal to plus minus 4 plus minus 5, right? So here we can write this m plus n. So this is the value of m plus n. Now we can multiply both sides by 7. So if we are multiplying with 7, then we will get here 7 times m plus n is equal to 7 times plus minus 4 plus minus 5. Now 7 times m plus n, so it will become 7m plus 7n is equal to, now we are 7 4s are 28, so plus minus 28, and 7 5s are 35, so plus minus 35. Now this is the value of 7m plus 7n is equal to plus minus 28 plus minus 35. Now you can recall one thing, a equal to, recall here a equal to 7m and b equal to 7n, right? So 7m that is a and 7n that is b. So we can substitute here a plus b. So we can say here a plus b is equal to plus minus 28 plus minus 35. Now when we are adding this term, we will get here value of a plus b is equal to 28 plus 35, that is 63. So we can say plus minus 63, and this is the solution for this equation. Value of a plus b is equal to plus minus 63. Thank you.